In this video, we are going to see how we can block or turn off the comments from a single video on YouTube or for all the videos. If you've already published that and you have allowed those comments, you can turn that off in bulk for all the videos. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just head over to the profile icon and click on YouTube Studio. We click on the content and we head over to the specific video for which, let's say that you want to turn off the comments. We scroll down, click on show more, and we should be able to land on this section of the comments and ratings. From here, we just turn this off and we save it. But what to do if you want to turn off the comments for all of your videos? Obviously, it will take us a lot of time if you do it manually. So we don't need to do it manually. We click on the content and we select all the videos from here, but this will only select the 30 videos that is available on this page. We click on select all and it should be able to select all the videos. After that, we hit edit. We click on the comments and whatever setting you want to change. For example, I want to turn off all the comments. We turn it off, click on update videos. It will say that you are about to update the selected videos. This update cannot be stopped once it has started. So make sure you want to do it, especially if you have some important work to do before that. Just make sure to do that earlier because it will depend on the videos available. So if you have like thousands of videos, it might take a lot of time to update this setting in all of the videos. Click on update and it says that it is another bulk update. So just wait before making another bulk update while it updates all the videos. And it says 188 videos successfully updated. Now whenever we randomly check any video and we scroll down, click on show more, we should be able to see that the comments are turned off for all the videos. So this is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.